Hello everyone, I'll be continuing chapter 1 with nursing assistant care, the basics. I'll be talking about continuing on with this chapter. Last time I talked about confidentiality. Last time I talked about maintaining boundaries in healthcare. Now I'll be talking about confidentiality and HIPAA and PHI, and I'll explain legal aspects of patients' medical records. Alright, I'll start. To respect confidentiality means to keep private things private. Nursing assistants will learn confidential private information about residents. They may learn about a resident's health, finances, relationships, ethical, legally. They must protect information. NAs should not share information about residents with any other person in the care team. And they may learn about residents' health. Congress passed the HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability Accountability Act. 1996, it has been further identified as revised since then. One reason that this law was passed to help keep information private and secure. All healthcare organizations must take care of steps to protect health information. Their employees can be fined and imprisoned if they do not follow to protect patient privacy. Under this law, a person's healthcare information must be kept private. Protective health information, PHI, is information that can be used to identify a person relates to a patient's condition. Any healthcare or any person who has had any payment for healthcare. Examples of PHI includes a person's name, address, telephone number, social security number, email address, and medical record. Only people who have much information to provide care or process records should know the person's private health information. They must protect the information. It must not become used, known, or to anyone else. It must be kept confidential. Alright. Okay. HIPAA applies to healthcare providers, including doctors, nurses, and nursing assistants, and other members of a care team. NAs cannot give out information about the residents to anyone not directly involved with the resident's care unless the resident gives official consent or unless the law requires it. For example, if a neighbor asks an NA, a resident, how is he doing, she should apply, I'm sorry, I cannot share the information, it's confidential. That is a correct response to anyone who does not have provided legal reason to know about the resident. Protecting privacy. Make sure that the private area when you have listened to your messages. Know that whom you are speaking on the phone. If you're not sure, get the name and number. Call back and find out it's all right to share information with the person. Do not talk to any residents in public. Public areas include elevators, grocery stores, lounges, waiting rooms, parking garages, schools, restaurants, etc. Do not discuss residents in public places such as restaurants and waiting rooms. Use confidential rooms to report or other care team members. If a resident's family or former residents in public, be careful with your grading. The family member or former resident may not want others to know the person or what was a resident. Do not bring a family, friends to the facility to meet residents. Make sure no one sees the protected health or personal information on your computer screen. While you're working, log out and exit the browser. When finished your any computer work, do not give confidential information in emails. Do not share information, photos, or videos to social network sites such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Do not share residents' information via text messages. Make sure that the fax numbers are correct before faxing information. Use a cover sheet with confidential statement. Do not leave documents where others may be seen. Store files, share documents according to the facility policy. If you find documents with the resident's information, give them to a nurse. All healthcare workers must follow HIPAA regulations no matter where they think they are doing. There are serious penalties for violating these laws, including the following. Fine ranges between $100 to $1.5 million. Prison sentence up to 10 years. Maintaining confidentiality is a legal and ethical obligation. It is a part of respecting residents and their rights. Discussing a resident's care or personal affairs with any one of the team member or the care team violates the law. Okay, I will continue on with the next video after this. explaining legal aspects of patients' medical record files. And I'll also discuss incident reports when incidents also happen on duty to write out what happened, what, when, why, where, how it happened, and I'll discuss it in detail next regarding patients' falls or anything regarding that an aspect. Okay, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now.